Okay, so we have 1, then we have 2, it's 2 by 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and what about another? 8. Change the dimension. Oh, okay, we have to take 3 by 3 from here. Okay. So that is our A matrix. We give a name, capital A, that will be better, I think. Okay. So we want to define a 3 by 3 matrix, and those tell me what will be the value. 1.
Sir, 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4,
Then
5, 6, 4,
5,
7, 8, 0.
6, 7, 8, 0. Yes, right. 7, 8, 0. Okay, so this is the A matrix. Okay, and you can also form another matrix with all the constant values. So what are those constant value here? Can you see? What are those
So 1 to
constant
4.
values? 1 to 4. And what will be the dimension of that matrix? Can you say that? What will be the dimension of that matrix? I mean, size of that matrix?
Sir, 3 by 1, sir.
3 by 1. Yes, right. So it should be 3 by. It should be, yeah, 3
So
by.
3 row.
Yes, right. It should be 3 by 1. Right. You are right. So let's take that from here. So it should be 1, 2, 3, like something like that. So suppose that is B matrix. Just define it as B, and B equal, we have this matrix. We have 1, 2, and 4, right? Good. So we
Yes, sir.
got two matrix. And what do we want to find here? What do we want to find? What do you think? What do we want to
The
find here?
value of x, y, z, sir.
Okay, then you have to take another matrix, right, to solve this.
Yes, sir.
And that matrix is, what is happening? That matrix
XYZ.
is, yeah, C matrix. So C matrix takes another matrix, C matrix. Okay, from here, matrix, and C matrix is X, Y, Z. So it will be 3 by 1. X, Y, X, Y. Is it capital X or small x? Small x. Okay, MATLAB is very sensitive. If you write capital small mix, it will not work. X, Y, and this is the Z. Okay, so we have three matrix: A matrix, B matrix, C matrix. And now, what is the relationship between the A matrix, B matrix, and C matrix? Can you say what is the relationship between A matrix, B matrix, and C matrix?
Sir, A into C is equal to B, sir.
A into C equal B, right? Okay, so yeah, so where is undo here? Actually, my laptop there is a black spot, that's why I cannot see it properly. Where is undo option? Can you see any undo option there? Sorry.
Sir, Control Z.
Yeah,
Press Control Z. It will.
yeah,
it will
Control
undo,
Z,
sir.
right. Thank you. Control Z. Actually, yeah, you should. I mean, if you know Control Z, it's very helpful. You know,
Yes,
because actually, when I went to give an exam in I think GRE exam, yes. Then I have written an essay, full essay after what is happening. I don't know the shortcut Control Z. Yeah, then everything gone. Suddenly, I'm not sure why. Then I was in a trouble. I mean, very trouble situation that time. I have written a paragraph, but suddenly it's gone. Yeah. So Control Z. So everyone remember that. So Control Z for undo, Control C for copy, I think, and Control V for paste. And what is Control X?
A cut.
Cut.
Oh, okay, Control A. Cart is not that much important. You don't
Yes,
need
sir.
cart, I think. Okay, so this section. Why I'm breaking this section now? Is there any reason of that? Okay, I think I have to put undo Control Z. I have to practice it. Okay, so the relationship you already know. Then the MATRIC matrices should be converted into a suitable function for MATLAB. Okay, the equation for just I'm practicing some writing. Okay, so above equation will be what did you say? A into C. What is it? A into C equal B. A into C equal B. That will be the solution. Okay, why not write in term like equation? Let's write it like equation. It will look better. So A into C equal B, and which one you want to get from here? Which value you need?
So C, sir.
C. So C equal what? Tell me. C equal. Tell.
Variable, sir.
C equal what? What will be the how can you get C? C equal what? Tell.
B by A, sir.
B by A, sir.
No, it is not. Yeah. What did you say? B by A. Okay, right. B by A. But in MATLAB we write B by A. But you can write inverse.
Sir,
Here.
inverse matrix of
Inverse matrix. These are matrix, you know.
yes,
And
inverse matrix of A into B, sir.
Yeah, we find the inverse matrix. We don't write like B by A. That is for number. So
Inverse
A
matrix of A.
কিন্তু স্যার আমাদের এটা হচ্ছে ইনভার্স হবে তাই না?
আর বিটা ইনটু হবে।
Right. Yeah. Okay, that is the solution, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the
Okay, sir.
solution. Now you know the solution. Now we know the solution method. So you can write here solving method. Here in the solving method. So you know how to solve. Very good. You can bold it if you want. Make it bold. Yeah. So these are the solving method. We have a problem. This is our problem. This is the problem here. Problem is given, and our solving method. We want to solve this like this way. And how can we write the same thing in MATLAB? That is the thing, right? We want to solve it, but we want to write code now. MATLAB code. So you have to follow the solving method, and for that solving, you have to write MATLAB code. So MATLAB code. So what will be the MATLAB code to solve this way? Now you know how to solve this, right? So you already assigned that. So here you already outlined your problem solution, and you want to solve that in MATLAB. Now you have to just write the code for that. So what will be the first code? First, what you need to do? Tell me. First,
Sir,
what you
variable
need?
introduce করতে হবে।
Yeah. So first, which variable you have to introduce?
Seems A, sir.
Which variable you need to introduce first?
Sir, C, sir, XYZ.
No, A matrix. You step
A,
by
sir.
step. You made the outline already. You cannot see the outline. You cannot see my screen.
Yes.
It seems A, B,
Yes,
C.
Yeah. So that is the outline. You want to find A from the equation given, and then you want to find B. Then you want to find C. Then you want to apply this formula. Then you get the solution, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So let's go to the code. Where is code? There is the code. Okay. So what is the code for a matrix? How can we define it? A equal. What do you have to write? A
Sir,
equal.
seems A.
It seems A.
Equal.
A equal. Tell.
Sir,
Sir,
full
equal
matrix
1
লিখতে হবে।
to third bracket, sir.
Third bracket. We started this right at the
Yes,
beginning.
sir.
Okay.
Third bracket, sir.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Sir,
Then
স্পেস হবে একটা।
semicolon.
Semicolon,
Or-
sir.
Yeah.
Then sir,
Then
4,
Then,
5,
sir,
6.
4, 5, 6.
5, 6. Another
7,
semicolon.
Another semicolon, then 7, 8, 0, sir.
7, 8, and 0.
That's
So you already
semicolon.
know this. Yeah, you can put a semicolon if you want. And if you don't put semicolon, doesn't matter. That is 0. Oh, yeah, that is 0. Okay. You can run this if you want. Here is the run option.
It will not run well.
So you got the result. So that is the A matrix. 3 by 3 look, or that is also written 3 by 3 matrix. So that is our first code. Now the second one, what will be the second one?
B, sir.
How can we define B matrix?
B equals, sir.
B equal third bracket 1 semicolon.
Okay,
Same
what-
sir, 1, 2, 3.
1
What about-
semicolon, 2 semicolon,
Yeah,
4.
before going to B, what about if we find the inverse of A? Because we need inverse of A to get the variable x, y, z.
Yes, sir.
You can find that later also, but what about if we find it here? We can find that, right?
780 পর স্যার ব্র্যাকেট ক্লোজ করা হয়নি স্যার।
What did you say?
স্যার 780 পর স্যার এটা ক্লোজ ব্র্যাকেট হবে স্যার, থার্ড ব্র্যাকেট স্যার।
Oh, right. There should be a bracket here. That's why there's red sign is coming. Okay, so inverse of A, let's run it. Now you got the inverse matrix. Okay. So you already calculated the inverse matrix of A. And now let's calculate B matrix. So what do you have to write for that, sir?
B is equal, sir. Third bracket.
A equal third bracket here.
1 semicolon, 2 semicolon, 4.
Right, 1 semicolon, 2 semicolon, 4. You can put a semicolon at the end if you want. No need, I think.
কোনো কি স্যার হচ্ছে এর ভ্যালুটা যখন স্যার অ্যাসাইন করছি প্রত্যেকবার কি স্যার স্পেস দেওয়াটা কি জরুরি?
Yeah, if you don't give space, it will consider at 12 is the element. Suppose 1, 2, that is 12.
ওকে
Space is mandatory. Understand?
Sir,
So
instead of making, sir, space, can I take, sir, colon, sir? No, sir, actually, sir, comma, sir. 1, 2, 3.
let's check. I am not sure about that. Yeah, it's working, I think. You can use comma, no need extra thing. And if you don't give space, it will take as one element. You can see that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's not working because you have to give another element in that case. 4. Now it will work, I think. Yeah, now it's working. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we got this result. Okay, what do we need after that?
সি ম্যাট্রিক্স
Sir, now C matrix.
Yeah, the thing is, see, we know that C matrix is X, Y, Z, but we don't want to refine that. if we want to define that, then you have to write sims xyz, because those are
Another, sir.
variable. You can directly find the result of C equal inverse of A into B. Is that okay? You are got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, C equal what? Inverse of, we already know that C equal xyz. You don't have to define that, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
if you want, okay, suppose if you want to define that, then okay, let write C equal, right? C equal x semicolon y. Okay. Space is not mandatory here because you are putting semicolon. X semicolon y semicolon z. Okay. Let's run it. See what will happen. Oh, error. So what do you need to do?
Sir, C,
Remove
sir,
the
C,
space.
Sir, we need to, sir, assign, sir, x, y, z value, sir. Sims x, y, z maybe.
Right, exactly. Because these are variables.
Yes, sir.
Sims x, y, z. Now hopefully it will work. It should work. What is saying? Look, it's working.
Yes, sir.
Because yeah, so when there is variable, so you have to assign that variable. And actually, C matrix, you don't have to assign C matrix here. It is not necessary, right? It is only for your understanding.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so C matrix is not mandatory here. Still, if you want, you can assign that. Now, what is the solution? C equal inverse of A. Okay, so inverse of E. If you give a name here, suppose inverse of A equal a variable name, then you have to you don't have to write again inverse of A. And I think it also inverse of A
inverse of A
is,
is equal to something, sir. Then, sir,
yeah,
we need to declare the variable in, sir, x, y, z. This line, themes, yes, x, y, z.
no, you don't need to define that. Suppose if you
We
take
already defined it, sir.
E equal inverse of A, then you can run that. And here just write P.
Yes, sir.
And run that. Okay, got the C value. X equal minus 0.444. Y equal what? 0.8889. And Z equal, we got what? Z equal you got minus 0.1111. That is the value. And actually, you don't need this. You need this, you don't need this.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Just write here inverse. Inverse of A. Inverse of A. Hopefully it will work. Okay, just run it. Okay, you got the same result?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also, you don't need this. It is just for your understanding. This one. Look, code is very simple. Only 3-line code to solve 3 simultaneous equations.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is, I think, okay. What is saying this sign? What happened? Inverse of A can be slower or less accurate than A by B. Considering A by B for inverse of, or B by A. Nowadays it happens. So inverse of A. Okay, they are saying maybe it is less accurate. I think if they have updated the. Okay, let's write B by A. What will happen?
Yes, sir. Maybe it will solve by writing B by A, sir.
But normally in our class we find the inverse matrix. So we don't write matrix B by A, right? In this way. Look, matrix we cannot write that. I
Sir,
already
A
told
by
you.
B, sir. Sir, A by B.
No, it should
Sir,
be B by
actually, sir,
A.
divide sign is maybe, sir, wrong, sir.
Oh, this is the matrix operation. You have to give a dot. No, like multiplication. Yeah, there should be a dot. Yeah, but the thing is, each and every element, it is not the right way, of solving
sir.
equation. They are making the calculation when you write B by A. Each and every element they are calculating. Like, okay, let me give you another simple example, then you'll understand. So when you write A equal small a, suppose A equal 10, then suppose you write B equal 2, then if you write yeah, suppose A equal 2 and B equal 10, then if you write A by B, then what you will get? B by A, B by A. What will be your result? Can you say here?
স্যার হওয়ার তো কথা 5 স্যার কত
Yeah,
হয় স্যার দেখো
it should be 5. Yeah, it should be 5. So you get
Yes,
C equal 5. But when you have suppose it is a matrix, so suppose 1 A equal
আর তুমি
suppose
সেলিব্রিটি তোমার মার
how
সাহেব
can I
ও
say,
সিগন্যাল
suppose
বেটি
A is a matrix.
সেলিব্রিটি মারাই দিও না এই
A equals
কুত্তার বাচ্চা ওনো রাস
2 and 3. 2 and 3.
তানোর লাইক পেজও কোটি কোটি ভক্ত থাকতে পারে আমি একজন নাই
This one. And
চরম
B
একটা
equals
বিয়ার দুবে করছি
suppose 2 and 3. B equals suppose what is that? 10 and 15. Then you write C equal B by A. Let's check. Okay, look, so you get A equal to 3. That is a row. I mean, that is how many rows there are? 2 rows, 1 column, 2 by 1, right? And B is
Yes,
a,
sir.
when you have more than one element, then you have to give a dot. That is the rules. And you will get element-wise division. So what will be your result if you make element-wise division? Okay, look, so they are dividing each and every element, like 10 by 2, then you get 5, then you get 15 by 2, you get 7.5. Got it? Then 10 by 3, you got 3.3, then you get 15 by 3 equal 5. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that means when you make by, that is the element wise by, so you cannot make the element wise by here in C. So you must have to write inverse. That is the correct form if you want to solve simultaneous or system equation. So inverse. So now you get the element wise result here. Okay.
Sir, here, sir,
Yes, tell.
sir, we can take, sir, C equal to A divided by B, sir. The, sir, divided sign will be reverse, sir, reverse one, sir. Then, sir, without taking dot, sir, we can get the result.
No, you are making, no, you will not get without dot, you will not get result. This is the,
Sir,
I mean, this is the,
I got
Method.
result, sir.
this is the matrix multiplication. How can you get a result?
Sir, reverse divide, sir.
Yeah, you are saying this one, A by B.
Yes, sir. The divide, another divide, sir. Ampersand, sir, actually, sir.
Oh, double division.
No, sir. Actually, there
So
is
slash,
a
sir.
reverse divide there in the keyboard, sir. That is actually, sir, right one, sir.
Yes, say again.
Sir, I am.
He's saying about slash, sir, slash.
Slash. Okay, got it. Okay. So you are saying about this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what is this? Is it division? I don't
I
think
got
it's
the result, sir.
but I don't think it is division. Is it division? Yeah, you got the result. I think maybe you got, okay, what is our inverse? If you make inverse, Yeah, you
I
get the
don't know, sir,
result.
but I tried, sir, and get the result, sir.
Yeah, so I mean, maybe it is calculating inverse matrix, but it is not division, I think. This
Yes, sir,
sign,
not division, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, this sign is not division actually. Okay, what happens if you make this with this one, a equal, then you'll understand what is this sign actually perform. That is the inverse of A. It is performing inverse of A, similar to that. Okay, so B. So if you make A by B, you'll get 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So A by B. Let's check what we get. We get 5. So how it is working actually? 0.5.
5 by 10, sir.
5 by 10. A equal 10. It should be A by 5. So why it is 5 by 10? Yeah, it's working opposite. It's working opposite. So but
works.
anyway, so I don't know this sign, how this sign works in MATLAB. So you can search in Google, you may find that what is the task of this sign in MATLAB. But this is not by definitely. Okay, so let me write down that one. This is the, I think, most correct one. It will work with each and every element. So inverse of A into B. Yeah, so always follow this one. This is the best one, I think. Yes. What is happening?
Your screen is gone, sir.
Yeah, I mean, press on run, but it goes on stop share. That's why. Okay, so you got the result. Okay, so that is the problem number 1. Let's move to the problem number 2. We are, I think, running out of
Sir, 3
time.
minutes remaining, sir.
Yeah. So you can solve any system equation. If there are 3 equation, 4 equation, 5 equation, it doesn't matter. Any number of variables, 3 variables, 4 variables, 6 variables. That is totally feasible. Only 3 line of code. Okay, so let's move to problem number 2. Text.
Sir, can we rejoin now, sir?
Yeah, what did you say?
Can we rejoin now again? We have only 2 minutes.
Can we what?
Rejoin, sir, rejoin.
No problem. This will not, I mean, this will forever, this will stay in my laptop screen because I am writing in MATLAB. MATLAB will never go, you know. So we can continue, no problem. So the next problem. Okay, what about if I give you, what can I say? What can I give you? Okay, I give you a problem. You solve by yourself. That is your task, I think. Yeah, let me give you a problem. Homework. Suppose, yeah, so let me I'll give you a problem.
Sir, time is 1 minute.
No problem. Don't worry. So we can break here. We are going to a new section. Okay, so this is our problem number 1. Okay, now we're moving to the next problem. We can start with text again.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, previous lab, sir, you gave us a sir equation, sir. It is integration equation, sir. There is, sir, integration of 0 to 10, sir. How to take, sir, 0 to 10, sir, in here, sir, integration, sir?
Yeah, you will try by yourself. That is your
কয়েকদিন
work.
আগে কত বড় এটা ঘটনা করছে মুসলমানের ঘর হইয়া তুই অত বড় কাম করলে তুই মূর্তি পূজাত গেছ আরক মূর্তি পূজাত জানে করে তোরে
What can I give?
ওলা ওলা লাগাইয়া খালি
Suppose
পিস
we
পিস
have
পিস
variables.
পিস করলাম
Okay, A,
মনে
B,
করে
C, D, E,
So,
F, G, H.
ফিল্টার মাঝে
A, B, C, D,
দেখলে
E, F, G, H. These are the 3 variables. Sorry, how many variables? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 variables. So you want to define something. Okay, so maybe we have some variables here. Okay, so okay, let me write equation. Okay, so A equal something. Okay, equal A, B, C, D. Okay, so A equal A, B, C, D. Another matrix B equal F, G. Case. Okay, take another matrix. Okay. Oh. Hello, Sifat. Yes, I'm in class. IJ. Okay, after class I will come. So calling from practicum duty, I think. Okay, so we have C. C equal. Okay, we don't need matrix here. Why am I taking matrix? Just take equation. Okay, let me. Okay, so we have to finish actually. Okay, C equal A plus B maybe. Okay, then suppose D. Take another equation. D equal A into B. Okay, so these are the matrices. So you'll find by yourself. Then we have three matrices here. You can see A, B, C, and D. So you can put a comma if you want. We have A, B, C, and D. So these are the four matrices. Please find those four matrices. And okay, so okay. Okay, so find okay, evaluate this or matrices for A equal T equal 3, 5, E 9, F equal 10, F, G is right? G equal 4, A is equal 8. Okay, that is your homework. So, okay, please solve this homework and tell me the answer next class. Okay.
ম্যাটল্যাব না করে এমনি করলে হবে না খাতায়
No, write in MATLAB. Okay, let me give you another homework. Then I will solve this. Then we will finish this because I think our practicum presentation is going on. I have to go. So fx. Let me take another equation. Okay. Okay, actually I have to write. Okay, first let me write the equation. fx equal. Okay, now I'll give you one equation, only one equation, and you want to you will solve this. So fx equal x to the power 5 plus x to the power 5 plus 4 geometric plus power 3 maybe minus 7 x square plus 9. Okay, so that is the equation, only one equation. And what you want to do, you want to find roots of the following polynomial. Find roots of the given polynomial. Okay, so these two are your homework. Homeworks 1 and this is question number 2. Okay, should I write? No need to write. Okay, just solve these two homework and we'll see you in the next class, hopefully. You can save this. That too. Okay, so let's take your attendance.